While you look high overhead now, the 38th Annual Cable Airfare Air Show is officially open. Remove your headgear and join 9-year-old Sara Scott in the singing of our National Anthem.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Sara Scott and Rich the just-in-time skydivers, ladies and gentlemen, the 38th running of the Cable Air Show and Airfare is underway. Sara, thank you so much. Are you going to be back with me tomorrow? All right, she'll be back with us tomorrow, folks. Again, this little red-headed wonder, 9-year-old Sara Scott from right here in Upland, California. All right, thanks to Sara. Thanks
Nailed it.
Thanks to the just-in-time skydivers. Our show, as we always do. Just a second.